What's up, tubers? I hope you're having a happy hair day. This video right here is for all my home cutters. When I say home cutters, I mean the dudes in the trenches, the ones that's in the mirror, cutting your hair yourself, getting it groomed, cutting your beard, cutting your mustache, taking care of yourself. For the ladies, you a home cutter. Y'all the ones I got love for. So this video is for you. I'm gonna show you the best foil shaver to get that's not too expensive. So with this video right here, you're gonna get a bang for your buck, or you're gonna get a buzz for your buck. Hit it. Yeah, y'all like that home cutters. The home cutters, we the ones that's getting it out the mud. We ain't the pretty boys out there that's afraid to cut your own beard or line up your goatee. You got to go to the barbershop. Hold up. You, Garrett, you are a barber. Don't forget. Okay, well, you in the trenches. You don't rely on the barber. You cut your facial hair, you line up your hair, you do it all from home. That's how I started off as a home cutter. 12 years old in the bathroom, cutting my little 12-year-old head. Back then it was a bowl cut, but I thought it was a good one. And then one day I flicked the clippers and I learned how to finally fade and all that stuff at 13 years old. I started cutting everybody else's hair. But enough of that. This is the best foil shaver that you want to get that's not expensive. This brother right here, this is the Andes foil shaver. This was the first foil shaver that I got, and it's still good to this day. It's lightweight, it cuts good, it gets your face baby smooth, and it saves you about 2 or 3 days of shaving again. For your facial hair, your bald head, you can pick this up from Amazon for under $70. That's actually a good price for a foil shaver. Let me show y'all this foil shaver in action. Oh yeah, before I show you that, when you use the foil shaver is not to cut your facial hair or your bald head if you already have stubbles. And when I say stubbles, I'm talking about 3 or 4 days growth. Let me show you. Now my beard right here, as you can see, this is about 4 days, 3 or 4 days without shaving. Now I'm gonna use the foil shaver. As you can see, it's not cutting any hair off. When you use the foil shaver, this is simply a cleanup when you use your trimmer. I'm gonna shave with the trimmer for y'all, and then I'll show you how the foil shaver takes it even closer so you don't have those stubbles. The trimmer I'm gonna use today is the War Detailer. I'm using the corded War Detailer. This is a great trimmer. It's slightly cheaper than the cordless detailer. This side I'm going to shave with just the trimmer, and this side I'm going to shave with the trimmer followed up with the foil shaver. Fellas, there you have it. I've just shaved my goatee. You can look, you can see it's clean, but there are some stubbles there. Now I'm going to shave this right side right here with the Andes foil shaver. Damn, you can see the difference already. All done, fellas. Okay, let me show you the difference. I think it's pretty obvious, but here's the left side where I just shaved with the trimmer. You can see stubbles. And this is a good shave. I mean, this is a good shave right here. But you see some stubbles up close. And here's the side where I use the Andes foil shaver. Look at it. No stubbles. This is baby skin smooth right here. Like, I literally, fellas, I can't feel anything on my face. It's just nice, smooth skin. On this side, I feel a couple stubbles. This Andes foil shaver, I highly recommend it for all my home cutters, dudes out there in the mud cutting at home. This Andes is perfect for you. I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'll also have a link on the video, and it is cheaper than most foil shavers. I'll see y'all in the next video. Ciao. Damn, that's smooth.